welcome to my channel. You already know the name. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to have a lot of fun. Mathematics supposed to be fun. I know a lot of people say it's difficult, but it's not. It could be fun, if you really pay attention to it and you know what you're doing. It's your boy 4KIT, and I'm going to make sure I make the study of mathematics as fun as possible. Come on now, let's go. We have here, if we have a number that is multiplied by 3, and if we had 6 to that particular number, it will give 16 if we subtract the same number after adding 4 to that particular number. So what is that number? It's simple. First thing we are going to do is to translate that statement into algebraic equation. So, rephrasing back to that statement, we will have three plus a, that number, plus 6, plus minus 4, it will equal 16. So then after knowing that, then we will collect the like terms. It takes put numbers to the same area and put number alphabet in the same area. Then after that, you add numbers together, have alphabet together. Then you have a certain number on one side, the other one on the other side. So the next you do is to subtract 10 from both sides, having known that 2a plus 10 equals 16. So subtracting 10 from both sides, we will have 2 a plus 10 minus 10 equals 16 minus 10. Then that will give us what? It will give us 2a equals 6. Then the next thing we have to do is to divide both sides by 2 in order to know the value of a. Here is another question. If we multiply the length of a rectangle by 5, the length given as j plus 2, it will give us 22 if the width of that particular rectangle is j plus 8. And again, the first thing we have to do about that is just to open up the bracket. We will open the bracket by multiplying the outside by whatever is in the bracket. So j plus 10 plus 8 equals 22. Then, add or subtract j 5j minus j will be 4j. Then we have plus 18 equal 22. So all we have to do is just subtract 18 from both sides to get 4j equal 4. Then the next thing we have to do is to divide both sides by 4. So 4j over 4 equal 4 over 4. Then j will be equal to 1. So we have another question here. The question say, solve 3 over 2 into bracket 2m plus 2 plus 3 over 4 into bracket 4m what we need to do about that, we have to open the bracket by multiply the outside by multiply the inside by the numbers outside to give us 3 over 2m plus 3 over 2 times 2m plus 3 over 2 times 2 plus 3 over 4 times 4m minus 3 over 4 minus 8 times 8 equal 9. That will give us for m by dividing both sides by 6. Then m will be equal to 2. Another great question here. If we have 3 whole numbers, 3 over 2k plus 5 whole number, 3 over 2 minus 7 whole number, 3 over 2k plus 9 whole number, 3 over 2 equal 13. So the first thing we have to do is just convert the fraction into a whole number by multiplying 2 by 3 and add 3 to it. That would be 2 times 3, 6 plus 3 over 2. That would be 9 over 2. Plus 2 times 5 plus 3, that's 13 over 2. Minus 7 times 2 plus 3, k plus 9, 2 times 9 plus 3 over 2 equals 13. So then the next thing we have to do, multiply each term by 2 in order to eliminate the fraction. Then we will collect that like term. Then we will solve for k, just like other example. So if we have 9k plus 13 minus 17k plus 21 equal 26. As before, we have, if we had 9k and negative 17k after collecting the like terms, then we would have negative 8k and solve for k by dividing both sides by negative 8. So negative cancel negative, 8 cancel 8, k will be equal to 1. Example. One leg of a triangle is 12. Its shortest leg is x plus 4 and the longest leg is x plus 8. If the perimeter of that triangle is 48, what is the value of x? Example, perimeter of a triangle will be a plus b plus c. So simply it will be 12 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 8 then equal 48 is being given. We will solve for x by opening up the bracket, collect the like terms, and solve for the value of x. So let's look at the solution in the next click. We will solve for the value of x. If x into bracket x plus 2 minus x into bracket x plus 5 equal 24, what is the value of x? So what we're going to do, as before, is open up the bracket by multiply whatever is inside by the outside number or factor or alphabet. Here we have x into x plus 2. Here we have x into x plus 2. That means we're going to multiply x by x to give x squared plus 2x minus another x into x, that's negative x squared minus 5x equal 24. Now we have x squared minus x squared will be nothing. Then we have positive 2x minus negative 5x equal 24. So positive 2, negative 5, that means negative 3 equal 24. So divide both sides by x, by negative 3. Great example. We have the perimeter of a triangle is 48. If the length is m plus 8 and the width is m plus 6, what is the value of m? Simple. We already know the perimeter to be 48, as as we had for the triangle in the previous example. So now all we have to do first is to apply the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We know perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So we know perimeter of rectangle will be 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So we have 2 into, instead of length, we have m plus 8. Then plus, instead of the width, we have m plus 6 equal 48. Then we will solve for the value of m. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends, especially some of your friends in high school. They need to know more about the algebra. Thank you.